First, open Pinterest in your web browser. Click on the search bar. Search for desktop wallpaper or any wallpaper you like. Browse through the results. Select the picture you want to use. Open the picture. Now, download the image to your laptop. Wait for the download to finish. Once the image is downloaded, open the folder where it is saved. Find the downloaded picture. Right-click on the image. Then click Set as Desktop Background. Your laptop wallpaper will be changed instantly. You can now see the Pinterest picture as your desktop wallpaper. That's it. This is how you can change your laptop wallpaper from Pinterest pictures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.